Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to fix Facebook Marketplace isn't available to you. So guys, first thing that you will do is simply go ahead and go to the Google Play Store into your device. And if you are using an iOS, just go to App Store. And from here, just simply go to the search bar at the middle down below and go to the top at the search bar and search for Facebook. And guys, make sure you are running the latest version of Facebook. And as you can see, we have an update. So make sure to tap on update and make sure you are running the latest version of the app. And another thing is just simply tap on the three dots at the top right corner, and from here, make sure to enable the auto update. So make sure you have this on check in order for you to lessen the issues on your app. So another option that you have if you're still having that issue is just simply go to your settings on your device. And from here, just simply go ahead and go to the apps over here. And after that, just simply go ahead and go to Facebook over here. And now, once you are on Facebook, just tap on it. And from here, just simply go to the storage, guys. And now from here, just simply tap on clear cache down below. And from there, you should be able to fix an issue. And another option that you have, if it still doesn't work, just simply go back over here and just simply tap on manage storage. And from here, just simply tap on delete, and from there you should be able to reset your Facebook and you should be able to fix the issue. And guys, if it still doesn't work, just try VPN, and from there you should be able to fix the issue. That's simply about it. I hope this video helped you fix your issue, and thanks for watching. See ya.